Hey Kim, this is Viola from Generational Leads, Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me yesterday, and thank you for clicking on this video. Now, I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways that you can improve your website so that you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's pretty simple because there are a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers, and it holds them back from hiring a marketing agency, especially since they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that by making these free attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners do this themselves and some call me back and ask for some help. So if you want some help at the end of this, then give me a call so we could chat. But if you want to do this yourself, please do. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. Now, I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, your website is a good looking website. I love the little cute baby up here. That's great. And you know, it has a good amount of information in here, but Google doesn't rank you based on how good looking your website is, though. They rank you mostly based on content. So whenever someone goes into Google, and let's say, for example, they do search carpet cleaning Augusta, Georgia, Google's goal is to put them in front of the article that's going to answer all of their questions, which typically is the article that has the most words on it. So the average website on the front page of Google has about 1,800 to 2,000 words on it. And you guys' website has about, maybe I want to say 150 to 200. So you're going to want to have about 1,500 to 2,000, and that's going to be the best way to go. So we definitely want to up the content on this site and add a few other links on here. So that way you guys can have a link for all of the different areas that you service and what exactly is that you service. So we could do a few things with this so that you guys could start being recognized on Google. If you guys take a look over at this site here, Certified Clean Care, one of your competitors, these guys have a little more content than you, right? But they don't have 1,500 words. So you guys can blow them out of the water once you get 1,500 to 2,000 words on your site. So that's tip number one. Now, also, if we go back to your site here, images mean a lot as well. So Google does recognize that. And if you go in to try to save an image, you always want to save the images as one of the keywords because that'll help you rank. And I'll get further into exactly what that means. But instead of saving it as just Magic Carpet Cleaning, since you already have your title over here, you could save that as something else. After that, you want to make yourself trustworthy, and Google bases this off of how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant websites linking to you. For example, you're going to get a lot more power from another carpet cleaning company website linking to you as opposed to Pizza Hut, because obviously Google knows you're not a pizza company. So if you click over here at this tool I use called Ahrefs, I pay about $1,000 a month, but it can give you such valuable data about what's going on in the back of the websites. Now, as you can see, it says here that you guys have approximately 11 websites, exactly 11 websites linking to you, which is giving you guys not anything in organic traffic. You know, so we definitely want to add more, because if we take a look at the competitor in Ahrefs, that same carpet, certified clean care carpet in Augusta, they have 45 websites linking back to them, which is giving them an organic traffic of 466 customers visiting their site per month. You know, and they have over 1,300 words of keywords, not content, but 1,300 keywords on their site within the content. So nothing to scoff at. There are so many different carpet cleaning companies out there that don't even have a website, yet alone have referring domains. So don't feel any way about that. This is just a matter of us actually beefing everything up. So if you want to beat them, you're going to want to add another, let's say another 75 websites linking back to you. And what I would do is I would just copy these guys. I'll just go in here and I'll take a look at all of, let's get rid of her. All right, here we go. Whatever websites are linking for them are going to link for you too. So I'll just go down this list, and as you can see, you can either create an account with these companies, or you could just go and click contact us and just ask for a link. But imagine if you beat them with content, you beat them with backlinks. You're going to take their organic ranking, which means you're going to take their organic traffic. All right, and let's go back to the overview here. You see their traffic value is 2,800. I mean, imagine how much more money you can make if you were averaging an extra 2,800 per month. That's a ton of business, right? So that's why it's so important to do this. now let's go back to Google and take a look at this here. When somebody clicks on Carpet Cleaning Augusta, they're going to call the first carpet cleaning company that shows up and that seems trustworthy, and you want that carpet cleaning company to be you. Those are the easiest customers to close. So usually people skip all these ads here. They skip the ads, whether that's because ad blockers or bad experiences. So where you want to rank yourself is in the local map pack section, which is this area right here. And getting here requires that you have more citations than your competitors. So anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, HomeVisor, etc. I mean, these are just the most common ones. The best strategy here is to figure out exactly what directories your competitors are in and put yourself in the same exact directories, and then add a bunch more on top of that. That way you could beat them out and you'll be one of the top 3. So if Carpet Cleaning Pros Augusta is in 150 directories, then you need to be in 150 or 200 as well. So just a quick recap. You want to get your website upwards to 1,500 to 2,000 words. Okay, you're going to want to have at least another 75 websites linking back to you at a minimum. And you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in as many business directories, more than your competitors, in order to beat them out. Okay, now if you want to do all this yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can, but just send me back some feedback. Let me know if this was valuable information. If you want any help doing it, you can give us a call. Our phone number is 404-345-2771. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.